Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well while you're watching my channel. I hope you enjoy this video today. Don't forget to share and like if you like the video. Today I'm gonna share with you a very easy recipe for konafa with cream and pistachio. I hope you like it. So first thing, we're gonna take the konafa pastry. I got this from Arabic shop Farah. It's everywhere. Any Arabic shop you can find it. So we're gonna cut it to small pieces and put it in a bowl. I didn't use all this amount, I used just half of it, and it made the like 12 cupcake size kunafas. So cut it to small pieces, either with a scissor or with your hand as well. Then I'm gonna take some melted butter, about 150 grams. It depends on the amount you have. So, and then mix it thoroughly, so that each one of them can be coated with the butter. After that, I'm gonna take the cupcake tray and I'm gonna take a little bit amount and put it in each place for the cupcake, and just try to press it around properly and make like a hole in the middle. I use this rolling pin. You can use anything that is slim and you can stick in the middle. So just press it, keep pressing it until you make like a small place where you're gonna put your cream and pistachio. Just make sure that it's pressed properly. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for 180 in the oven until it's brown and crunchy. For the syrup, we're gonna use half a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm gonna use the orange, like a couple of sachets of the orange blossom water. You can use the orange blossom water, or I got those from Morocco. So then I'm gonna put it on a fire like medium until it's and just a little bit over boiling. Just keep it boiling for like 2-3 minutes. That's all, until the sugar is dissolved. So afterward, straight away until when it comes out from the oven, when it's still hot, we can add the syrup with a spoon. I didn't put too much syrup, so it won't be too much sweet. So I just, with the spoon, I just added a little bit amount of syrup in each one of them. So the orange blossom water, you can buy it from any Arabic shops. For the cream, I'm using mascarpone cheese, 250 grams, vanilla. I use the sachet, you can use liquid as well. Just beat it a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of icing sugar, depending on taste. Then lastly, I'm gonna add the double cream, 250 ml, or depending the amount that you're actually gonna use. And just when it's ready, I'm gonna put it in the place where you can see here. You can see each one of them. You can take it out from the cupcake case like easy. I have here pistachio that I toasted the pistachio a little bit, and then I put a little bit on each one of them, and on top of it I'm gonna add the cream, as you can see in the video. That's it. So I'm gonna finish with those as well. Lastly, I'm gonna put a little bit of the pistachio again, just to decorate. You can put some roses, edible roses. I'm gonna just decorate the plate with them, and there you have it. It's very delicious and very easy to do. It's like crunchy, not too much sweet, and delicious. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it, and thank you very much for your comments. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.